So pardon the mess in here, you guys. I have been doing a lot thus far. I've gotten a lot completed. There's a bunch of Legos sprawled out everywhere. So things are starting to come together slowly but surely. So right here, this is where one of the waterfalls is going to be. And then I'm going to do the other one over on this side here. This thing is coming together pretty well. Now we've got staircase going all the way up so you can reach the second level up here. And once again, the space right here is for the train station. I might take it up a little bit higher. I am quite pleased with the way it's coming out thus far. Very pleased. But I got a huge bunch of Legos sprawled out everywhere. But that is okay. This is a mastermind at work. At this point, I have gotten the waterfalls all completed, and I wanted to show you them. Here is one of the waterfalls. This actually came out pretty good in my mind. If I can hold it. This will hook right onto the spot I indicated earlier, right up there, with the, this part is the pond that's going to go right down on the base plate. I'm going to have a border surrounding it so the water doesn't seem like it's going all over the place. Like I got it over here. This actually came out quite well as well. There's the waterfall, and then it's got the little pool on the bottom. Came out quite well. So now I will move on to the next part, which is, I think, the rest of the glass railing. So here we are. I am now standing in front of the completed section with the train station. Here's the waterfall and the little pond. I got some plants alongside. Still got a little more work to do, but I have to wait until I get the next section in. Now here we come to the, see if I can get a nice side of this. Actually came out pretty good in my mind. Got the glass railing. Got a nice bench in the center, which is pretty cool. I really like the way it all turned out at the end. I had to make a few adjustments with the train station, as I totally forgot to account for the lip that's running along the rooftop. This little guy right here is a little bank. I thought it would come out a little bit bigger than it actually is, but I kind of like it the way it is. And we're going to keep going. And here is the other side with the train and the other waterfall. Now this train track is going to hold the Disney train station, or Disney train, not the train station. We got more glass railing way up here. So let's take a look at the top. This actually came out pretty good. Missed a few spots with the flat tiles. But all in all, it came out pretty darn good. So the next part I'm going to be working on is this area right up here and down below. I already have an idea. I'm also going to extend out my shelving out further. So that is my next step in this process. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next update.